Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Kia Optima windshield wipers. Lift the arm and press the release tab to remove the old blade, matching the new blade size to your model. Snap the replacement blade into the connector until it clicks, then lower the arm carefully to protect the glass. Run the wipers with washer fluid to check for streaks, and repeat removal if you hear squeaks or see uneven contact. Start with the ignition off and wipers in the parked position to avoid surprises. Gently lift the arm and rest a towel on the glass to protect against accidental drops. Rotate the blade so the release tab is visible, press the tab, and slide the blade away from the hook or clip. Inspect the arm for bends or corrosion and clean the pivot area before fitting the new blade for a secure connection and smooth wipe. If you're finding this walkthrough useful, please subscribe and give the video a like to help more people. Quick recommendation: read anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's great for waiting on parts and learning on the go. I like how lightweight it is, and the adjustable light makes night work easier. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you grab one, enjoy it. Now let's get back to the video. Align the new blade with the wiper arm connector and ensure the adapter matches the OEM fitting for your Optima. Slide or push the blade into the hook until you hear a solid click confirming the lock. Gently lower the arm back onto the windshield to avoid impact damage. Activate the wipers with washer fluid and watch for smooth, streak-free motion. If you see gaps or hear noise, recheck the seating and secure the clip again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.